Going on, guys? Welcome to the RabidMining YouTube channel, and it looks like we got some unboxing to do here. So I guess we will start with this bigger box here. It was the heaviest, so let's have a look to see what may be inside here. The packaging looks pretty nice, and my camera's in the way to get into this, so hopefully I don't knock this over. My unboxing skills aren't the greatest. So opening up here, a lot of bubble wrap. We got a box full of motherboards. So there's quite a few in here, quite a bit actually. We got some power supplies and box after box after box. We got X570s, X470s, B450s, more X470s. So essentially, you know, quick sum up here, we got some power supplies going on over here in this corner, and we got a whole bunch of motherboards here. Now, I never really played around with some of these B450s, so it's going to be a lot of fun to kind of check these ones out as well, because then I can get some overclocking and see how they do compare versus some of the X470s that I'm used to using. Let's move on to the next type of smaller box here. And again, camera's always in the way. Hold on a second, guys. All right, so what do we got here? Oh, all right, so now looks like we're getting into some of the CPU side of things. So this is a little box of CPUs here. We got 3 of them. I can't see exactly which ones these ones are yet. You gotta kind of rip this stuff open. Oh no, the tape is too strong. I don't have my knife on me. That's okay. Maybe I can get these to the side. So that's a 3900X. This one is, can't see them. I'm doing horrible. All right, I need a knife. All right, so I did find myself a steak knife here, so we're gonna chop that open. That makes things that much easier. So here we have 3900X. Put that back in there. You already know that one's a 3900X, and this one here is a 3900X. So this is a box of 3 3900X Ryzen CPUs. Moving on to the next box. Underneath that little box is another box here of more Ryzen CPUs. Now let's see if I need my knife here. I'm assuming this stuff is wrapped very, very good. So there's definitely no messing around here in terms of wrapping capabilities. So, yep, all right, knife in the hand. So here we got another 3900X and 3900X. And I'm assuming this is maybe another one. And a 3900X. So that is 3 more Ryzen 3900X CPUs. So far in total, we got 6 3900Xs. All right, now we have another little box here, which has some more Ryzens in it. And this one looks like a 5950X. If I can get this out of the way. This boxing stuff is totally in the way. So here you can see the 5950X right there. Get up to the camera. So this is a 5950X. So 6 3900Xs, 1 5950X so far. And now I got to open the rest. Let me just kind of edit here and cut this open. Yeah, I kind of got most of this out and open. Get some of the light in here. So we have another 3900X here, and then another 5950X. So in this box with a 3900X and 2 5950X Ryzen CPUs. So one more little box here. I went through it and kind of pre-cut it so we didn't have to deal with everything going on. And it looks like 3 more Ryzen 3900X CPUs. So that puts us at a total so far of 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 Ryzen 3900Xs and 2 5950Xs. So far, there should be, now in total, what I should be getting here is about, I believe it's 10 3900Xs and 3 5950X Ryzen CPUs, which completely over doubles my whole CPU mining farm. So in theory, looking at the calculations here, that is about $476.92 Canadian for complete rig each. So I got 13 complete power supplies, motherboards, RAM, everything is in here. I just got to go through it all still, guys, though. But everything is here for 13 complete rigs for $476 a piece. That's going to drop the ROI value to be extremely fast, especially moving into the next bull run, because I really see a lot of these CPU mineable coins are really going to start pumping in the future here. I opened up one of the motherboard boxes, and as you can see here, we got a RAM as well as an M2 drive. So allegedly, every motherboard does come with its RAM as well as an M2 drive for its hard drive here. So we got M2 drives and RAM. Like I said, the price was for complete systems, every piece you absolutely need. So I guess that would put me at a total of about 23 CPU mining rigs if I did my math correctly. See you on the next one. Rabid out. Thank you for watching my video, and if you haven't seen one of these, be sure to check them out. And if you already seen them, maybe you missed something, might have to watch it one more time. And if you just let it play in the background, that's all right as well. I do try to live stream every weekend as well as every couple days during the week, so be sure to be subscribed so you don't miss that. As always, have a great day.